Today is January 28th, and this is my outlook on Bitcoin. Currently sitting at 102,000. So, what I'm seeing right now is FOMC meeting tomorrow. They're not supposed to do any rate cuts, but it'll still scare the market. That's what happened last FOMC meeting. Nothing good. But if we zoom out a little bit on the Bitcoin chart, right here is our previous low on the 4-hour, and I think that low will stay. Pumped up new all-time high. We're coming back down right now. There's a rather obvious downtrend coming in right here. I think that'll stay. I think that maybe this Friday, depending on what the outcome of the FOMC meeting is, we could see it take lows down at the bottom of the VWAP here. I think it'll take maybe push right below 95,000. It's a decent amount of liquidity down there. Right here, 96. Most of it's at 96. So if we do stoop down and make a lower low right here, 96 would be our first target, and then it would come down, take this liquidity right here, just under 91. But looking at all of this liquidity up here at new all-time highs, I think this will be our reversal point. I think we'll have a higher low somewhere around here. 90, 95, 96 would definitely be preferable, but we could take on 93. That'd be okay. So I think we will push down to 95, make a higher low based off this low, and then start an uptrend, especially if the FOMC meeting goes well. We could definitely start another leg up on Bitcoin. Maybe flip this macro trend line right here. It's definitely possible. But as far as what I'm doing to profit off of this move on Bitcoin, I'm not going to short Bitcoin right now because I don't know exactly what the outcome of the FOMC meeting will be. However, I am heavily watching the Bitcoin dominance. If it taps 60%, cool, but that would only happen if Bitcoin tanks tomorrow for FOMC and it scares everyone out of their alts. So what I'm going to do, if theoretically this happens, I will be taking some longs on Solana right here to 10, and right on Link, I'm looking for an entry right above 21, maybe $20, depending on how low the dip goes, if it dips, that is. But those are my two favorite trades right now. There's XRP. I'm not on the XRP train. I don't like XRP that much, but it obviously has some momentum. So if we see it come back down near this low at 280, I will be taking it long. We have a pretty good uptrend right here. So I will also be taking a long on Algorand. It follows XRP as far as price movement goes. We had a perfect pump to a pullback to the 0.618 fib retracement. Right now we're sitting around the 0.5 fib. So I'm definitely looking to long this because XRP has quite a bit of momentum, and so does Algorand. So I'll be looking for another wave. Now, as far as meme coins go, Doge is the one that really sets the market for everything. If Doge goes up, generally all of the well-performing meme coins will. They'll all just follow Doge, and that includes Pepe. So I will be stacking some Doge on spot. I have been during this dip. So if we get a deeper dip, maybe down here, I will definitely be stacking more on spot. No leverage, just because meme coins, I mean, they're highly volatile. It's not something you really want to be using a bunch of leverage on. So Now, as far as fractals go, of course, I'm not going to be super accurate here because of the FOMC meeting, but I think we could probably take something on like this, almost a double bottom, and then retracement at 100K. And that I generally is what it should look like. I mean, I think Bitcoin's gonna make a nice continuation because we have this up move right here, have some sort of capitulation here, just sideways movement, but I do think we'll break out of it here soon. But that's pretty much all I'm looking for in the next week or so, is this dip down, preferably to 95, but you never know. So that's it for January 28th.